In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing keyword that you can target within a niche that is worth globally $258.5 trillion. And all you want is what, 1,000 to 2,000 a month to change your life. A fraction, a tiny fraction of what this particular industry is worth. And all you've got to do is target these professionals along with this keyword in order to make this work. When we spoke to you previously, we put a poll up onto our YouTube channel. You said that you wanted us to help you out by producing ready to go lead magnets tailored for your niche. And that's exactly what I have done in this video. You'll be able to get access to a PDF that you can download. We've made this in ChatGPT. I'm giving it to you completely for free. You can use it as a lead magnet, but I'll give you some other ideas of how to use it as well. And you can see here, this is the data for this particular keyword. So you can see we don't really have any traffic at all until the end of 2022. Then we have this massive explosion, and then you can see it's pretty consistent at the moment. Now, if you want more training or newsletters, you can get our free course, 5 hours of free training. You'll find it on the homepage of our YouTube channel here. And for now, I'm going to talk you through exactly what is this niche we're going to be targeting, and also what is this keyword we're going to be going after. And then once I've done that, I'll show you exactly where you can get the PDF and how I suggest you use it. So this particular niche that we're going after, the reason it's so great is because you can target both local and national. So even though it is a global business, you could go local or national, which means several of you watching this video will be able to target different counties, different states, different regions, and make money without competition. It's also B2B, which means we're targeting businesses, which means we have the ability to make more money than if we were going to B2C in the short term. And the style that I'm going to show you today is actually curated, but actually you could do this for both curated and long form if you wanted to. And I would consider this evergreen, even though the niche we're going to be talking about does have its seasons. The value you're going to be providing these businesses and this particular keyword here means there's always going to be a way that your potential customers, your newsletter subscribers, could be using the content that you're putting out. Okay, if you haven't guessed already, the niche is real estate. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be targeting realtors, and we're going to be offering them a newsletter that's going to provide them with a ton of value. We're going to give them value week by week, but as I said, if you use the PDF that I'm going to give you, you could use this to help inspire you for the content of your newsletter. You could use it as a free lead magnet in order to get signups, or you could even use it as a paid product. You could easily sell what I'm going to give you for free, and I'll show you where you can get this in a bit, for $99 for a download. And I'll explain to you why these realtors will pay for this. They'll pay $99 in a bit. Or what you could do is take what I've given you, develop it even more, and you could charge even more for it. Now, the great thing about this business model, as I said, is you're going to be able to start this and run it initially for free. Because you're going to be giving so much value, especially with this PDF lead magnet, then people are going to be signing up to your newsletter. We created this PDF with ChatGPT, and you could create your newsletters with ChatGPT for free. As I said, we have this training that you can get access to on our YouTube channel. Just go to the homepage and look for this video. It's 5 hours of training, and we'll show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT as well as other videos we put out on the channel in order to write your newsletter content. But what you can also do is you can use a piece of software called Beehiiv that's going to host your newsletter, and you can use Bard as well if you need some research done that needs access to the internet. Obviously, if you want access to the internet on ChatGPT, you've got to pay for it, but with Bard you get that for free. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what this keyword is. And the keyword that was over in the graph that I've just shown you is prompts, or specifically ChatGPT prompts. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to realtors in a particular state or in a city, and you're going to offer them ChatGPT prompts that are going to help them grow their business. And as you can see from the graph that I showed you, there is a demand for this. And if you can set yourself out as a premium newsletter sharing excellent ChatGPT or AI prompts with realtors, then you're going to be able to get yourself subscribers pretty quickly. Now, in order to get that traffic, you're going to have to try a few ways. Paid traffic is obviously going to be your fastest way to grow, but if you want organic because you don't have any money to spend, then the first thing you can do is you can go and look in some Facebook groups. So go and join some Facebook groups that are focusing on realtors in your area, provide value, educate the people there on ChatGPT and how it can be used for real estate. ChatGPT can actually write the content for you, and then you'll be able to drop in that you have a newsletter that people can sign up for. Don't spam, you will get kicked out of these groups. But as this is a professional network, professional industry that you are targeting, then the other places that I would suggest you take a look at are Twitter or X, and I would also suggest you take a look at LinkedIn as well. And the reason for that is because you want to target professional social media, because you are trying to attract professionals and you want to make it look like your newsletter is professional as possible. So set yourself up a Facebook page, get into Facebook groups, start sharing knowledge about ChatGPT and prompting, get onto Twitter or X and LinkedIn and do exactly the same. So how are you going to make money from this? Well, the first way you can make money is sponsorships. There's a lot of people out there who have courses or who run Facebook ad training, big high ticket sponsorship or affiliate offers that you can contact, and you can say, look, I've got a list of 100 or 200 or 500 realtors who are interested in AI and interested in growing their business, and then these people will pay you to have a sponsorship slot within your newsletter. You can use the calculators over on our website. Just go over to the link on our homepage, click that, try out our calculators, and you can figure out exactly how much money you'll be able to make. And the other way, as I said, is you could produce a digital product. So I'm going to show you now what this PDF that I have produced for you looks like, so you can get an idea of exactly how you could use it. But as I suggest, $99 to solve this particular problem for realtors wouldn't be a crazy amount to start with as a price point for offering these ChatGPT prompts, because I'm going to show you a whole year's worth of ChatGPT prompts for realtors. That would be a appropriate amount to start pitching this as a price point to see if realtors would be interested. So let me show you the PDF now. So here is the PDF, and I'll show you in a bit exactly where you can download this completely for free, but there's no reason why you couldn't take this and you can use it straight away as it is. We've got a title, you can see 52 prompts for realtor success. We've got an introduction, we've got a how-to section of how to use this, then we've got the prompts. So you can see we've got prompts for listing descriptions, we've got prompts for social media marketing, ads copy, tons and tons of different things. And there are 52 different ChatGPT prompts here that you could give out to anybody who is a realtor. And if you're in a particular area, you might want to take these and tweak them to that particular area so they're even more bespoke and even more valuable than just these generic ones here. But you can put any of these into ChatGPT, and you could take some of these and create even more. So for example, this is TikTok videos. There's no reason why that couldn't be changed to Facebook, Instagram. It could be changed to YouTube. It could be shorts. It could be explainer videos, and you'll be able to then break that one prompt down into even more. So you can take this document, and as I said, I'll show you exactly where you can get it in a second, and you'll be able to share these prompts with your potential buyers, potential realtors. Now you can take this and you can use this as a lead magnet, and then what I would do is I would have a newsletter about AI and ChatGPT prompts that I would be giving out to realtors, and this would be the lead magnet, and you could totally use it that way. The other way you could do this is if you wanted to use this as a paid product, is what I would do is within my newsletter, I'd make it really, really simple. I'd start off newsletter title. I'd say what the focus is of that particular newsletter that week. So it might be a ChatGPT listing descriptions, and then it would be maybe about this one for luxury apartments. Then what I would do is I would cut and paste this prompt, put that into my newsletter, and then I'd have a little bit of a description about how to use it, as well as some sample ChatGPT prompts that are a little bit more developed than this. Then what I would do at the bottom of that is say, next week we'll give you a ChatGPT prompt on maybe social media marketing, and I would just roll through these 1 week at a time. But this is how you make money. At the end of that particular newsletter edition, what I would do is I would let people know that if they click the link, they could download all 52 prompts in one go, one place for $99, which means essentially they would be able to download this document. Now, if you're thinking, but I don't have a website to host this on, do not panic, because Beehiiv lets you put internal pages onto your newsletter, which means you'd be able to have a tab on your newsletter where you could write something like, the tab could be called Buy Our Guide or 52 Prompts by Here, whatever you wanted to call it. People could click there, then they could go through to a payment page, and there's loads of places out there that will let you put a document. They will let you sell it, and they will take a commission, they'll take a percentage. And what that means is that if you don't have any money to pay for these platforms outright, then they'll take a commission. But if you're paying, if you're getting paid $99 for it, then that's a really good chunk of money that you're able to get, and you're only losing a fraction of that, and you haven't had to pay anything to host that document, which means still, again, you're doing this completely for free. And realtors who have got money and can write these kind of things off as a business expense are going to be able to shortcut, and they don't have to wait every single week in order to be able to get the prompt and how to use it. They're going to get everything in one place. And as I said, if you can go through these and give a little bit more guidance, pad them out a bit more, take this as sort of a starter and build it out, then that product could be worth even more than $99, or you could definitely make it worth $99 plus. Okay, so loads and loads you could do with this document. Now let me show you exactly where you can get your hands on this. So this here is our community. It's free to join. All you need to do is sign up, come down to the Knowledge Hub. You'll also be able to get here the free PDF that goes with our free course. You can also get some custom GPTs that you can download for free. All you've got to do is in the knowledge base, go down here, and you'll be able to click on this link, and you'll be able to download the document completely for free. It's yours to use, test it out, and then you can decide exactly how you want to use this. Is it going to be a lead magnet for you, or is it going to be your first paid product on your newsletter? So as I said, all you need to decide now is that document going to be your lead magnet? Is it going to be your first digital product that you sell, whether you use Beehiiv or something else in order to start your newsletter? And then once you've decided that, all you've got to do is go away, write that newsletter either the way I mentioned, or as I said, you can make it a curated newsletter on the local area, real estate knowledge, using ChatGPT or long form, and target those realtors, those business professionals that are going to benefit from your ChatGPT prompts and your knowledge of AI. And what you can also do as well is pitch your own services. So if anybody is interested in building AI further into their real estate business, then what they're going to be able to do is talk to you. So you can mention in your newsletters at the end, if anyone wants some consultancy on how to use AI within their real estate business, then they can reach out to you. You can start having a conversation with them, and then get to the point where you can offer some paid consultancy, paid support, paid tools like custom GPTs or customer service chatbots or something like that. So huge potential with newsletters, with earnings, starting for free without having to use any paid tools. Yes, you'll get there quicker with paid tools, but you don't have to. With a very simple business model that you can do 100% on your own, 100% for free. If you got any value from this video, please give us a subscribe, a like. If there's any particular niches you'd like us to explore, feel free to put a comment below this video. Check out the community, get those free resources. They're there to help you get started in 2024 with your newsletter business. We'll see you in the next one.